YouTube, working on a 2011 Kia Sportage. Trying to get this alternator out of here. I didn't really see anything online about it, so I thought I'd help you guys out with the little video. Now, the top bolt is pretty easy. Just take the top bolt out, 14 millimeter. I removed the pulley too to have extra room. Where is that pulley? Here it is. Remove that pulley to have extra room, another 14 millimeter. Then you go for the bottom one. If you remove the bottom splash guard and the side splash guard, you can get to that one a lot easier. And then I undid the motor mount. Undid the motor mount. There's 3 bolts on that. They're 15 millimeters, and the top one is a 17. Take that out, put a block of wood under the engine, and jack it up. That way you can finish getting that bottom bolt loose on the alternator. Then you lower it all the way down, and you can pull the bottom bolt straight on out. Pull it straight out. And once you have that, you jack it up to the max. And then you have to wiggle the alternator out through the top here. I just wiggled it, turned it sideways, wiggled it out a little bit around me. You might have to bend the AC lines just a slight bit to get it out. It's really tight, but you can do it if you wiggle it around enough. It's not really that hard. Because I wasn't about to have to remove the AC compressor and go through all that headache, so just found an easy way to do it. And that's pretty much it. Installation is a reverse of removal. Once you wiggle it back in there, get it back into place. That bottom bolt sits in a little slot here. I see now. You just gotta unloosen it, and then if you can wiggle it out of there, it should come right out. I had a hard time getting that bottom bolt out. But anyway, just want to show you guys you don't have to remove the whole engine just to get it out, because that's what it looked like at first. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section and let me know. I can help you out. I can talk you through it step by step. So that's it. Peace.